Hey, take it easy. There's nothing to do. So everyone, pick up a spliff and start dancing. Feel your body. Move around. Express yourself. Express your body. Express your voice. This is the only way to live life. King David did the same thing. So why the fuck would you think twice? Why? 'Cause of money and paper? Let me tell you something. Ben Franklin, he's on the $100 bill. And he all just smoked all day. So let me tell you something else. When you think and you think, make sure you think of the positive and nothing else. Because there's universal law. And I know what it is. And I know how to keep it positive. Because there is no other way. So ask yourself, think to yourself, wow. Wow. So, everything is together now. That's how we keep it. That's how we love it. That's how we enjoy it. God brings us all back together. The universe in it. That's it. We're all back. And I'm here to sing. And there's nothing more to it. So enjoy yourself. Move yourself. Dance away. Like you just don't care. Like you just don't care. Keep dancing. Just dance away. Dance away. Dance away. Dance away. You know the game. It's time to dance. And if you don't know, then you don't know. And if you want to know, we'll come and say, yo, I want to know. Okay, bro. Take a seat. Here's a split. Let's have a chat. Oh, really? I didn't know. Oh, that's dope. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Wow. I gotta go. Look at the time. So on that note, I'll see you in the Holy Land. I'll see you in Zion. And if you are listening to this, you are the resistance. Keep it dancing. Woo! Woo! Imagine you went back in the mic and said Biggie returned. Hello.